All right, guys, I want to show you one of my clients' Facebook ads on their back office. But what we're going to go to the first step, right? The first step in creating our ad, we're going to go to business.facebook.com. Right now, you guys got to know when you're running ads. Now, I want you to be looking over those resources that I sent, those PDFs, and really look over the things we were talking about in those resources, right? So I'm about to pull them up in my phone and I'm going to read along. But this ad is performing extremely well. But in most circumstances, we have to build up to this point, guys. So um, let's talk about the first point that I got to make. Okay, so the Facebook ad objectives, right? We only using, remember the ad objective that I showed you in the PDF, right? In the resources that's connected to this video, right? So look over all those resources. I'm going to go through this, how I would look at it. If I'm going a little bit too fast, I apologize for that, but just go through those resources, guys. And you got to understand this is about repetition. The reason why I am the way I am with running Facebook ads, because I've been doing it for a long time. And you guys got to understand that I understand buyer psychology and I understand why people buy and just the human psychology and the aspect of it, because you guys got to understand we're not running ads to robots. We're running ads to people. You guys got to remember that we're running advertisements to people, not robots or anything like that. Right. So it's gonna you're gonna my bad, I was looking at these messages. So this is one of my clients. Her name is Sheree Moore, from she owns shetrucking.com. She Trucking LLC. She has one of the biggest female trucking brands in the United States. So this is a different case, but everybody has to build up to the point to where they can get to this point. But what she's done, she's been posting content consistently. She's been growing a community. She's been growing her email list. She's been doing every single thing right. So therefore, when I jump into the back office, when she hired us to run her ads and everything, things run a lot more smoothly because of the fact that she has things already going on, guys. So you're going to see this. You're going to see this part right here. This is going to be what you see. We want to go to tools. Then we're going to go to ads manager, right? And this is what you should see. So I already got it up on this tab. So I'm just going to click on this tab, right? This is what you guys should see. Okay. So I want to briefly go over her ad. Um, some of those key metrics that I was talking about. We got link clicks. So we got 232 link clicks, right? We don't really worry about reach too much, but you see the impressions, right? So we're getting to the point to where, let me see the frequency. So out of the people that we're reaching, they're seeing us at least twice daily, right? Frequency is something big that I'm looking at. People buy from people they like, know, and trust. You have to be seen more frequent. This is the click-through rate. Her click-through rate is 12.30%, right? So we're getting a great click-through rate. We've had 95 people watch 100% of her video. 101 people watched 95% of it, and 130 people watched 75% of that video. So this ad is performing tremendously well, right? And we got at least 195 people watched 50% of the video, guys. So her ad is performing great. And we've been running it. We've only spent $46.82. We've been getting 20 cents per link, per click. This is a traffic ad under the traffic ad objective, but she does have her Facebook pixels and everything together. So we can run a conversion ad, just like how you see in those in that PDF, Facebook ad objectives. That's in the PDF. So you can run you can run conversion ads when you have your pixel and everything like that, as explained in the PDF, guys. But 20 cent per click right now. And I want to show you her results. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to hit edit, and I want you to see how long this ad's been running, right? So this ad has been running since September 10th. We've been spending $10 a day, and it ends on September the 18th, right? So we've been running this ad from September 10th to September 18th. So let's check her sales and let's check and see what's going on since September the 8th. So this is her back office to her website. We see sales are up 81%. That's awesome. Let's check it out. So now she has been posting. She's been doing a great job. She's been going live. So let's look at, since our ad has been rolling and been working, let's check out the last 7 days. I want to see, it's been running since Friday to the 13th. So let's go from September, what's the day? Wednesday to today. Forgive me, guys. All right. So we're good. So it should be from September the 10th to September the 15th as the time of my recording this video, right? So boom, let's check it out. Now this is she has a trucker expo that's going on from the September the Lord, I know I'm going from the 17th to the 16th to the 18th, right? So as you can see, we've had 24 orders, right? 24 orders. We've averaged $103.36 per order, and we made 2.5K in sales, right? And that's from September the 10th to the 15th, guys. That's from September 10th to the 15th. This is what we've been able to do in sales, right? And you see, we've run this thing September 10th to the 18th. Now, I'm not going to take 100% credit, right? But I really, because she's been posting consistently. She's been doing everything she's supposed to be doing. She's been sending out emails, and she's been doing a great job. But we've had 232 people came over, right, at 20 cents per click. And we've had 24 orders since the time that we've run this ad. And that got us 2.5K in sales. And we're averaging about $103.36. So I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. And I'm going to explain further.